Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this complete Excel series so far. Until now we covered settings, but from today we are starting something you were waiting for, Excel formulas. So make sure you watch this video till the end because these formulas are the foundation of Excel. Guys, on your screen you can see two tables, table 1 and table 2. Guys, today we will start with basic formulas and trust me, these are the most important ones for the interviews and office work. So first click on the formulas tab. Once you click on it, you will see the entire functions library. Inside that, you will find the AutoSum group. When you click on the small drop down below AutoSum, guys, you will see sum, average, count, max, min. And in this sessions, we will cover all of them. Now, guys, let's start with sum formula. What does sum do? It calculates the total. The shortcut key for sum is press Alt plus equal to. Excel automatically applies the sum formula. Guys, now imagine this is a sales inventory report for Mumbai and Delhi store. You have sales ID, item, and price listed here. If you want to calculate the total of this price column, type equal sum and select the targeted data and bracket close and press enter. Guys, you get the total. But let me show you another way. Select a blank cell, go to the formula tab, click on the drop down under auto sum and choose sum and select the targeted data and press enter. Guys, here you don't need to open or close brackets manually. Directly press enter and your total is ready. Guys, suppose you want to calculate the average. Go to the formula tab, AutoSum drop down and click on average and select the targeted data and press enter. And guys, you get the average value instantly. Now let's find the maximum value. Max is used for find the highest number in a range. Guys, imagine you have thousands of records. Finding the highest value manually would be very difficult. So select a blank cell and go to the formulas and AutoSum drop down and click on max and select the targeted data and press enter. And guys, you get the highest value immediately. And next is min. Min is the opposite of max. It finds the smallest value. You can either select it from AutoSum or type manually. So guys, let's we try manually. Type min and select the targeted data and bracket close and press enter. And guys, you get the minimum value. Now the last one, count. Count how many numeric value are present in a range. Type equal count and select the targeted data and bracket close and press enter. And guys, Excel tells you how many numbers are there. So guys, today we learned some average, max, min, count. These five formula are the foundation of Excel. If you master this, advanced formula becomes much easier. So guys, practice all this formula right now. And in the comment sections, tell me which formula did you like the most and what new thing did you learn today. And do you want the next session on advanced formula or AI in Excel. Your comments really motivate me to create better content for you. In the next sessions, I will show you how to use AI to make formula faster. But first, master the basics. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DataDesk Pro. And guys, see you in the next session.